Welcome back to Bookmasters Academy. For this video, we'll be solving questions from the Further Maths Project textbook, Book 1. Yes, the current topic is SURD for our students, so we decided to solve questions and SURD. Yes, from the exercise, I've selected a couple of WAEC questions. I'll be solving them. So for today, we'll be solving 1 and 2. I'll allow you guys to try number 3. This will form the first question for our next video. So without wasting time, let's get to business. So for number 1, they said solve the equation 2 root x minus root 4x minus 11 equal 1. So this is what we're going to be doing in number 1. So the first thing I would like to do is to move the 1 to the left hand side and move the roots to the right hand side, so that I would have 2 root x minus 1 equals root 4x minus 11. I'm having a root in the right hand side and I'm having a root in the left hand side. That's actually what I want. Now, if I find the square root of both, if I find the square of both sides, not the square root, but the square of both sides, so that the right hand side is the square root will go, so my x will be free. I want my x to be free, but that's the essence of solving. I will have this square of my right hand side would just free up the whole thing. The square of square root is to remove the whole square root, so that I would have in my left hand side, if I square my left hand side, if I square it, I have this minus 1 squared. Good. So how I do this is I will do the first 10 all squared, that is 2 root x times 2 root x. Now the 4x. Yes, that's what it will give. So the first 10 all squared should give 4x. Okay, then I do the first 10 times the second 10 times the power. So that is 2 root x times minus 1 times 2. So I do that. When I multiply, I'm going to get minus 4 root x. Minus 4 root x. When I do the last step all square, it's them all square. First 10 times, second 10 times power, then second 10 all square. That will give me plus 1. With what next? I have my right hand side being done. So at this point, it's looking fresh. This, and cancel this by coming to the left hand. Let's not waste time collecting like them. I can take this to this side, so that's can simplify to tone, or I can just bring, depends on what I want. So this guy has negative. If I take it to this side to become positive, so I'll take this guy to this side, then I'll take 11 to the left hand side. So that's exactly what I will do, so that I will now have 1 plus 11 equals 4 with x. Then I have 12 equals to 4 root x. Then divide both side by 4. I have root x equal 12 over 4 is 3. Then if I find the square of both sides, I have x equals 9. X equals 9. Good. So for the next question, number 2, said simplify 3 over 4 root 128 minus 50. Take note, these are WAEC questions for the maths, as is seen on the screen. Top, very important. what we can do here is we can simplify these sorts and break it down very, very well. Let's see the perfect square inside that. We have 3 over 4, and the perfect square is 64 times 2 minus 25 times 2. So these are the perfect square inside. I want to see my perfect square. So that my 8 will come out from here. 8 will come out from there. 8 root 2 minus 5 root 2 times 3 over 4. That's nice. When this cancels, I have 2. I have 6 root 2 minus 5 root 2, which will give me 1 root 2, which is just 2 roots. So that'll be all for this video. We'd like you to try number 3. Get back to us in the comment section. Would verify the correctness of your response, of your solution, and I will get back to you. Thank you for sticking around.